My name is Anthony Mataloni. I'm a professional photographer from Austin, Texas. I'm going to talk about the Bellows on a 4x5 view camera right now. These little accordion type looky things are called the Bellows. Okay, on all large format cameras have Bellows. They are an essential function of a large format camera. When you are buying a large format camera and you are in the market for one, the first thing I look at is the bellows on a camera. The bellows on this particular camera are in perfect condition. Something I really don't see too much, but with this camera, someone who had it before me took great care of it. There are no holes in the corners of these bellows. If there were holes, there would be a real problem to use this camera because the holes would get into the camera and thus light would leak in and cause light leaks on my image, or maybe even possibly fog my whole negative image in the back. So whenever I look at a camera, I'm looking for holes in those bellows. Now some cameras that I've bought, have little tiny holes in them, which is really, I get some gaffer tape and I just sort of tape them up. It's not ideal, but it can work. So it's not such a problem. The other thing that the bellows really do is they work as how your image gets to be focused. And that's a pretty interesting thing. Certain cameras have different bellows extensions too. When I'm using a very wide angle lens, I might use a bag bellows. If I'm using a lens for close-up photography, I'm going to need a bellows that extends out really far. So those are the functions of the bellows on a 4x5 camera.